you can choose the fruits and vegetable. So you need to consume more of vegetables that again are home cooked. जो घर पे बनी हुई सब्जियां आप जितना ज्यादा खाएंगे that is better, क्योंकि घर पे आप you can control the oil content that can be used in your cooking. Then you can use salad vegetables, steamed vegetables you can focus more on. And if we talk about fruits, again whole fruits are quite important. It's not like अगर हम जूस से कंपेयर करें, सो एक नॉर्मल पर्सन हु इज नॉट फिजिकली एक्टिव, जो फिजिकल वर्क नहीं कर रहा है ज्यादा, सो फॉर दैट it's more useful to eat whole fruits instead of consuming fresh juices. But if you are an athlete, you can even drink fresh juices, but that should not be with added sugar. Okay? जो चीनी ऊपर से ऐड करते हैं फ्रेश जूसेस में, वो ऐड नहीं होना चाहिए. Then if we compare with the items that are again low nutrients that you need not to consume, that you need to avoid, are basically sweet fruit juices. कि जो आपका पैक्ड जूसेस आते हैं उसको अवॉइड करना है. देन जैसे मैंने बताया चीनी डले हुए जो फ्रूट जूसेस आते हैं that need to be avoided. Then many of the people what they do, कई बार soups के लिए they start using packed soups. So again packed soups have more of preservatives, more of fats in them. So if you want to drink soup, you need to again go for homemade soups. Then fried vegetable, ready to eat vegetable, that also you need to cut down the intake, because again they provide you more of fats instead of different kind of healthy components. Then coming to the non-vegetarian food item. So non-vegetarian food item, we generally have three different categories. We have red meat, chicken, and fish. So it's like all three have their own benefits and their own negatives also. So what red meat has high amount of fats, and but it has high amount of minerals also, especially iron. Red meat has lots of iron, but again the fat content in red meat is quite high. If we talk about the chicken has slightly lesser amount of fats in comparison to red meat, but again it has good amount of iron, especially the chicken liver contains very high amount of iron. So then fish we have, fish के अंदर again moderate amount of fat रहता है, but अगर आप salty sea fish खा रहे हैं, fatty fish खा रहे हैं, so again उसके अंदर there is one kind of fat that is known as omega 3 fat. आप सब लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा. So उसके अंदर omega 3 fatty acid जो है वो जो आपका healthy fat है वो ज्यादा मात्रा में रहता है. So how to select these? It's like you can, अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, हार्डकोर नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, you are consuming non vegetarian on regular basis, so what you can do, you can consume red meat 2 days a week, then chicken 2 to 3 days a week, and fish 2 to 3 days a week. So in that way you can divide the consumption of all these three non-vegetarian food items without focusing on a particular kind of food. So you will get different variety of nutrients and healthier fats also if you are consuming good amount of fish. Okay. So again, as I mentioned, in another thing what is important in non-vegetarian food item is how you are cooking it. Okay, so what happens many a times in cooking the non-vegetarian food items, especially in Indian methods, there are lots of fat that is being used. अगर आप फ्राई कर रहे हैं नॉन वेज को, या फिर आप करी के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं, सो अगेन दैट इज उसके अंदर फैट कंटेंट जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. So what you need to do is you can adapt healthier options of cooking, like you can use steaming, you can use grilling, you can use baking, So tandoor you can use. So these kind of healthier cooking methods you can use for cooking the non-vegetarian food items. Then coming to the nuts and oil seeds. So again, if we look at the healthier options of nuts and oil seeds, we have different nuts like walnuts, almonds, groundnuts जो थोड़े healthier category में आएंगे. Then we have till, we have pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds that are healthy to consume, that give you a good kind of fats. So these nuts and oil seeds, basically what they have proteins and fats and minerals in quite good quantity. Okay, but the type of fats in all these healthier options are quite good, that is beneficial for your health. But again, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अगर ये हेल्दी है तो आप कितनी भी क्वांटिटीज में खा सकते हैं. You need to control the quantities. In comparison to these, you can reduce the intake of cashew nut, pistachio, because they don't have that much of good kind of fat. But yes, in moderation you can consume, no issues. If we talk about the fried or salted nuts, it's like fried and salted nuts you need to avoid totally, because again that is a processed thing that is adding lots of fats as well as lots of salt in your diet. So better to go for these options. You can consume moderately in these two items, and you can totally avoid the any kind of, even groundnuts, if they are fried, they are not they will not come under the healthier option. Okay, so any kind of, even these kind of fried nuts, that we need to be avoided. Then the next category is sugars and confectionery. So sugars, basically there are certain options. If we talk about a normal person who is not physically active, you need to consume sugars. You need just 1 or 2 spoons a day. But if you are active, you are doing lots of physical activity, then yes, you can consume certain food items to give you sugars during physical activity. Okay, like dry sweet fruits are there, जैसे आपके मीठे जो है ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं, जैसे किशमिश है, रेजिन्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, देन वी हैव डेट्स, वी हैव फिग्स, अंजीर बोलते हैं जिसको. So all these kind of sweet fruits can be used during activities, and sports drinks can be used, fresh fruit juices can be used, lemon water can be used, carbohydrate gels, jellies, packed items आते हैं, that can also be used. What need to be cut down is basically energy drinks, then we have carbonated drinks जैसे cold drinks वगैरह हैं, and the alcoholic drinks जो आपके hard drinks हैं, that need to be consumed in moderation or need to be avoided. Then coming to the fats and oils that we use in our diet. So the healthier options for oils are basically, you can use groundnut oils, rice bran oil, flaxseed oil, mustard oil, even fish oil are healthier. So these kind of oils can be used. The one that are not very much healthy are basically the one, first and foremost, is vanaspati ghee. So vanaspati ghee is one of the most dangerous fats that can cause heart related issues. And if you look at the market products which are there available in the market, most of the bakery items generally contains this kind of vanaspati ghee. Okay, so if you are consuming lots of bakery items, it means you are consuming unhealthy fats. Then we have some fats like cottonseed oil is there, even I might not mention here, palm oil is there. So those kind of oils are basically unhealthy, And if you look at the fried snacks which are being produced, even if it's being produced locally, अगर आप कोई समोसा खा रहे हैं, or if think you will see these kind of oils are only being used because they are quite cheap, but they are not healthy. Okay, so if you are consuming those kind of food items very frequently, then you are consuming again unhealthy kind of fats. Then what you can do is you can keep on changing the oil if you want to get benefits of different kind of healthy oils. So what you can do is for 1 or 2 months you can use a particular oil, then you can change to another oil, or you can keep 2 oils at home. You can prepare one meal in one kind of oil and other meal in other kind of oil. So this was about how you can select different kind of food items based on the food groups. Now we will discuss a bit in a quick session. We will discuss about do's and don'ts of healthy eating. We have already discussed everything. It's just again a recap. So one important thing is you need to include proteins in your meal. Proteins, many a times what happens, Indian plate is generally have more of carbohydrates and we don't consume enough amount of proteins. So proteins have lots of health benefits. They generally stabilize your blood sugar levels. They can help in reducing your weight, also increasing your muscle mass, improving your heart health. So there are lots of benefits of proteins. So in each meal, protein need to be there in your diet. We will discuss how much quantity we can consume. We will discuss in later slides. Then we have good sources of both animal and plant sources that gives you good amount of proteins. Okay, animal sources, we have milk and milk products are one of the best animal source that is considered as vegetarian also. So that can be used as a good source of proteins. Then we have non-vegetarian food items, eggs, and in plant products we have soya bean. Then we have different kind of pulses, legumes, दालें जिनकी हमने बात की थी. Then we have nuts and oil seeds, these kind of products which have some amount of fats in that. Proteins in that. Then another important thing is you need to include lots of green leafy vegetable in your meals. Again, green leafy vegetables consumption reduces the risk of different kind of your non-communicable diseases. And there are different kind of green leafy vegetable available locally in the market. Like again, as I mentioned in millets, regional wise there are differences in millets that is locally available. Similarly for greens also, आपकी हरी पत्ते वाली सब्जियां जो हैं, that also are grown at different regions. Like south में you will get different kind of green leafy vegetable. In east you will get different kind of green leafy vegetable. Here you will get different kind of green leafy vegetable. So any kind of green leafy vegetable which is popular in your region, you can consume those green leafy vegetable to get its benefits. It's not like if I have mentioned spinach here, so spinach is the best. It's not like that. You can include any kind of locally available green leafy vegetable. Then chewing the food properly is very much important. Many a times what we do, we are in hurry, we are just in 5 minutes, we are just completing our meal and running around. So it should not be there. You need to chew your food properly. It gives you lots of benefits. I will not go much in detail. Then you need to look into your digestive system's health also. आपके digestion, आपका जो digestive system का health है वो अच्छा रहेगा. Then it will be help in आपके न्यूट्रिएंट के एब्जॉर्प्शन में भी हेल्प करेगा और ओवरऑल आपकी हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. So digestion को improve करने के लिए again there are things that we have already discussed that we need to focus on fruits and vegetable. Fruits and vegetable if we talk in amount in a day, आपको around at least 500 से 700 ग्राम fruits and vegetable एक दिन में consume करना चाहिए. Okay? If you are athlete, it can go more, but even if you are not working out, 500 से 700 ग्राम fruits and vegetable need to be consumed. Then whole grains we have already discussed. आपका जो मोटा अनाज है that need to be consumed more. Healthier cooking options we discussed. uh, how you are using oils in your cooking. किस तरीके से आप ऑयल कम कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट कुकिंग मेथड्स को यूज करके. दैट इज वेरी मच important. Then there are certain probiotics food which help in your good in developing the good bacteria in your intestine. So again, those kind of again different kind of fruits, vegetables, cereals, millets have different